Question number 11. A TB tower stands vertically on a bank of a canal. From a point on the other bank directly opposite the tower, the angle of the elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degrees. From another point 20 meters away from this point on the line joining this point to the foot of the tower, the angle of the elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degrees. Find the height of the tower and the width of the canal. A, B, C, D. (30 degree, 60 degree). Let H be the height of the tower and X V the width of the canal. CD is 20 meters. DC is equal to 20 meters and BC is equal to X. DB is equal to X plus 20. In triangle ABD, AB upon BD is equal to tangent 30 degree. In triangle ABD, AB upon BD, BD is equal to X plus 20. This implies AB is H, BD is X plus 20. Tangent 30 degree is equal to 1 upon root 3. So H is equal to X plus 20 upon root 3. It's equation number first. X plus 20 multiplied by 1 divided by root 3. H is equal to X plus 20 upon root 3. And in triangle ABC, AB upon BC is equal to tangent 60 degree. AB is equal to H upon BC is equal to X, that is tangent 60 is root 3. This implies H is equal to root 3 X. Equation second. From first and second we get first equal to second, X plus 20 upon root 3 is equal to X root 3. X plus 20 root 3 multiplied by right side is equal to root 3 square X. Root square is cancelled. this implies 3x is equal to x plus 20, and we are shifting x left side, then 3x minus x is equal to 20, and 2x is equal to 20, x is equal to 20 upon 2, x is equal to 10. BC is equal to x, that is equal to 10 meter, and height of the tower h is equal to 10 root 3. We are putting x in equation second. We get the height of tower h equal to 10 root 3 meter answer. And width of the canal is equal to 10 meter answer. In triangle ABC, AB is height of the tower and BC is width of the canal. DC is equal to 20 meter given, so total distance BD is equal to x plus 20. And in triangle ABD, AB upon BD is equal to 30 degree. Value of tangent 30 is equal to 1 upon root 3, and h upon x plus 20 is equal to 1 upon root 3. X plus 20 multiply by right side, we get the value of h equal to x plus 20 upon root 3. It's equation number first. And in triangle ABC, AB upon BC, h upon x is equal to 1060, and tangent 60 is equal to root 3, x multiply by root 3, then h equal to x root 3. It's equation number second. From equation first and second, we get x plus 20 upon root 3 equal to x root 3. Root 3 multiply by root 3, that is root 3 square. So 3x is equal to x plus 20, and we are shifting x left side. 3x minus x is 20, but 2x is 20 and x is equal to 10. We get the width of the canal is equal to 10 meter, and we are putting x equal to 10 in equation number second. Height of the tower h is equal to 10 root 3 meter. Height of the tower 10 root 3 meter answer, and width of the canal is equal to 10 meter answer. Question number 12. From the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of the elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degree, and the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree. Determine the height of the tower. $60 degree, 45 degree. A, B, C, D, E. and from a top of a 7-meter high building. 7 meter H, and total height H plus 7. From the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of the elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degree. 60 degree and 45 degree. 45 degree. In triangle CDE, CE upon DE is equal to tangent 45 degree. CE is equal to 7 upon DE is equal to tangent 45 is 1. This implies DE is equal to 7. Its equation first. So DE is equal to BC. In triangle ABC, AB upon BC is equal to tangent 60 degree. AB is equal to H upon BC, that is equal to tangent 60 degree root 3. This implies BC is equal to H upon root 3, and BC is equal to DE. This implies DE is equal to H upon root 3. It's equation number second. From first and second, we get DE is equal to 7 is equal to H upon root 3. This implies H is equal to 7 root 3. AD is equal to AB plus BD. This implies AD is equal to AB is H plus 7. AD is equal to H is 7 root 3 plus 7. AD is equal to 7 is common, and root 3 plus 1 in bracket meter. Answer. In triangle ABC and triangle CDE, angle 45 degree, and ACB angle 60 degree. AD distance is equal to H plus 7, BD is equal to 7 meter, and AB is equal to H. Total AD is equal to H plus 7. First of all, in triangle CDE CE upon DE is equal to tangent 45 degree, that is equal to 1. CE is equal to 7 upon DE is equal to 1. So DE is equal to 7, equation first, and DE is equal to BC in triangle ABC. AB upon BC is equal to tangent 60 degree. AB is equal to H, and H upon BC is equal to tangent 60 is root 3, and BC is equal to H upon root 3. BC is equal to DE. DE is equal to H upon root 3, equation second. From first and second, we get H is equal to 7 is equal to H upon root 3, and value of H is equal to 7 root 3. And determine the height of the tower. AD is equal to AB plus, so AD is equal to AB plus BD. AD is equal to AB is H, and BD is 7. Value of H is 7 root 3 plus 7. We are taking common 7, and in bracket root 3 plus 1 meter. AD is equal to 7 root 3 plus 1 meter. Answer, that is height of tower. Height of tower. AD is equal to 7 root 3 plus 1 in bracket meter. Answer. Thank you so much.